Are you looking for a turnkey home on an 18,000 square foot lot in Coral Gables? Then look no further than 1901 Country Club Prado. With over 3,000 square feet of living area, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is perfect for family living. So originally a 1940s home, it was expanded back in the 90s, and you're gonna see a lot of the original character, Spanish Revival and Art Deco, wood-burning fireplace in the living room. You're gonna see formal dining room, nice big kitchen, and then you're also gonna have that updated feel in the home as well. The floor plan is excellent. You have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with plenty of storage throughout, and then you also have an incredible primary suite with a spa-like bathroom as well as a large walk-in closet, double vanity, and then beautiful access to the outside area. In the outside area, you have a full cabana bath, a sauna, and a wet bar. And not to mention this humongous lot that you have here, which has a oversized pool, a beautiful deck, nice covered areas. You also have 2 dedicated side yards, which are perfect for the avid gardener. Throughout the yard, you're gonna see a lot of mature tropical landscaping as well as fruit trees. So on the property, you have a lemon tree as well as a star fruit tree. And then in your front yard, you have so much front exposure to Country Club Prado. The property is fully fenced in and you have mature hedges throughout. Because you're on a corner lot, you really feel the privacy of the home. My favorite part of the home is the family room, mostly because it gets so much sunlight and you have nice, tall, exposed ceilings and beautiful built-ins. The roof is only 5 years old and still has warranty remaining on it. In general, this home has been immaculately maintained and it's perfect for anyone that's looking for a move-in ready home with very minimal maintenance required. It is so rare to find a home like this in Coral Gables in such a special location with such a large lot as maintained and updated as this property. Don't miss your opportunity to come in and see it because this is probably the home you've been waiting for. I'm Amber with Sim Realty, and if this home looks right for you, or if you'd love to learn more about Coral Gables homes, please give us a call. We'd love to help you.
At Sim Realty, we have prime South Florida real estate, professional advice for buyers and sellers, and over 30 years of experience. Preview our listings and contact us today.